Alright, so in this video, I'm going to do a little bit of a kind of hands-on video. This little contraption right here is the tank drain on the air compressor, and it broke. Now, I knew this was a problem when I bought it because the review said so. The drain sucks, buy an extended kit. I'm like, son of, I don't want to have to freaking plumb shit, you know, and just the headache of it all. But look what I found. Much easier. So supposedly this goes on the bottom of the tank, and then you got, I'm trying to get this so you guys get the shot. Then you guys got a valve that you can open and close. So let's see if we can put this on and hopefully it works and fits, and we'll try it out too. Because that way I don't have to crawl. Oh man, crawl underneath this thing to unscrew this, because there's no air in that tank. After I let it fill up, I use it and then I drain it. I don't know the possibility of a tank exploding, but my luck, I see it's very highly possible. Like, I'll just be, you know, watching on video. The last video I uploaded on YouTube, I killed myself because the tank blew up. So yeah. And I'm on the Canon too. The Canon's a little bit better quality. So we gotta get this behemoth down, I guess. For starters, he's heavy. Not light at all. Not light at all. It's good quality air compressor. I can't say nothing about it. Like, I think this is like less than $500. If you've got a home shop and you've got all like ATVs, the tractor, stuff like that, buy one of these. I can't recommend this air compressor enough. It's got it's very quiet. You can buy a $100 air compressor, and that's direct drive, and that thing will literally like cause you to go to death. Campbell Hassenpfeffer, that piece of crap that we have, it worked for what it is, but man, it was loud. That little pancake air compressor is louder than this thing. I mean, you could carry out a regular conversation with me. So, and I just realized that there's oil in it. Not sure how the oil is supposed to come. Yeah, I think I see beeping. So what I'll do is, I think I just realized this because it's an air compressor. It doesn't need that much compression. What I realized, and this is a 30-gallon model. I thought it was a 36. It's a 30-gallon tank. So what I realized is that if I tip this over on its side, put the drain into it back over, I'm gonna have oil in the air, and I don't want that. I'm sure there's already oil in there somehow, somewhere. So I won't run it in this video, but I'll let it sit. I gotta read the instructions how the hell to change this. My assumption is I gotta pull this off and drain it, and then just put a new one in. So I'll get that done too. So yeah, let's come over on the side. Thing is damn heavy. So you can see on the bottom, if I don't get you guys in the shot, that's all for Chris. Good job. So you got the bigger tank, and you got what we're going after. So my assumption is this just goes right on. And I'll put this in the link below. That's my assumption of the day. However, I got this right on Amazon. I think it was came to less than 20 bucks. Trying to open this. It's really more difficult than it should be. So, since that one had red tape on it, I would sort of assume this is like lock seal. So all you do is that was very easy. And now I guess that should go there. And it just goes on like that. Simple. So, this baby. Of course, this thing weighs like 16,000 pounds. Crush it. I don't think I did. It's a pretty durable air compressor. Not touching the ground. It's kind of funny when we bought this, we had it kind of inflate the tires. So I thought that was funny that how to buy an air compressor to inflate its own tires. So let's get this thing into position. Seems good. So that's holy crap. So yeah, that just sits on the ground. As you can see, you got plenty of clearance, so it's not pinching the hose. It's kind of flexible, which I like. But then that just chills on the ground and just comes straight out. Like I said, I gotta change the oil on this. This hasn't been changed since we bought it. I don't think it's very good. So I'm not gonna run it. I'll let the oil seep back in. And then, yeah, I'll throw more oil in it. What kind of oil? I mean, I know what this recommends. Actually, let's pull the manual out. Stand by. Nope, wrong drawer. Right drawer. Aha. So we go to, oops, my license plates, my old ones. Cattle stock and service manual. I have every, whoop, let me flip this around. Every single manual possible in here. All-terrain mower, snow thrower, brush mower. I don't know what that is. It's probably for the pressure washer. And I put the freeze pump in the pressure washer, so no. Where was that? Husky. Ah, Husky. The user manual. So, let me put you back on the tripod, and I'll see if I can figure this out here. Because what had happened was, with the old Campbell Hassenfeld Pancake 1 gallon air compressor, we were trying to inflate the Silverado's tires. It went flat, not mine, the old Silverado we have, which it caught fire for the 3rd time. That's why you haven't seen any of the videos. The relay box caught on fire. I had to drive about an hour away. 16 miles per gallon on a quarter of a tank doesn't get me very far. I know they're a 26 gallon tank. So, yeah. And of course, this compressor is rated at 155 PSI max. That hose is rated at 175, so you got plenty of headroom right there. But I'm just trying to see, because there's non-detergent, detergent oil, and all that fancy crap. This is what you can use. You really can use anything on this. This is really overkill for a home garage, I think, but you know what? It's a good overkill. I find it very useful to take it off mower blades. And I gotta show you something too, guys, because I think the tractor needs new tires, which, you got both tires off. And I got a jack floating around here somewhere. It's over there. But I do want to rent a 2025R, and I am still trying to find this. This is very. I'm thinking of renting a 2025R, and for the spring when we have to do the driveway, and I want to get our shooting range. Would you guys want to? Oh, well, I am gonna do a review because I've got a Glock 43. And I bought, it's called P-Mag. 43 can only carry 6 in the chamber, or 6 in the mag, 1 in the chamber. And I bought this magazine that'll allow me to carry 10. I think that's New York State compliant. I think it's 10. Dumbasses. I hate New York State. So, use air compressor only. Multi-weight automotive engine oils like 10W30 should not be used in air compressors. I hope everybody would have common sense to know that. Even I know that. That's just like you don't put 10W30 in your power steering pump. You only put training fluid, power steering. So the crankcase oil capacity is approximately 10.6 fluid ounces. It just says compressor oil. So it's called Purple, Mr. Purple, something like that. It's highly rated on Amazon. I was just gonna get like a freaking quart of it or something so I'd have it. So yeah, why don't I put all the machines away? You guys can watch that and I'll end this video. Anyway, let's pick up our tools here so I don't curse later like where the freaking not nice words go. I do curse, but I know it's probably not the best, but oh well, I'll watch my videos. So honestly, I'd rather That's my preemptive. I'd rather curse at what I broke or what went wrong. Except that word, that's not what I just lost that. Son of a. I just be very careful when I try to pull full freaking set. Oh my god. PR's running pretty good. I tell you what, man, did these things not like pull. So, yeah. Now, I just bought plow wings. Be right back. This will be in the next video, but look what I got. Oh no, these are for? Well, yeah, these are for the 54 blade. I don't like the skids that are on it. I also bought the 72-inch wear bar to replace the single-piece one, so that'll be in a video. That's another reason why I wanted the air compressor fixed, and I'll change the oil before I do that. I'll probably do that one video. So, just so you guys get an idea of what videos are coming. I mean, my parents gave me money for Christmas, and it was kind of a lot, so I kind of put it back to the family. But these are the John Deere skid shoes, and I don't really have an issue. I mean, little things like that I don't have an issue, but, you know, when I'm renting a tractor, I think that should be, you know, kind of split. I mean, I'll split it. I have no issue with that. So, now it's back to tractor here next. Holy crap! That's one thing too. This thing loves gas. No idea how much gas this thing loves. And that's another thing too I like to do is I like keeping this full. And right now I just have the snow blower on, I don't have it hooked up. Oh, yes. Ah! Jeez, I didn't know it that long, my God. And of course I'm checking the old fluids before I use it. I mean, it's all good. I mean, it's not a bad tractor, it's just old. Just old. But another thing too is, yeah, you kind of can see it. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. But I think these tires are shot. I don't know why when we brought it to our John Deere dealer, they didn't recognize that. But I don't know how well you guys can see that with this camera. Maybe you can't. I don't know. I don't know if that's a bad sign. I think that's bad. I think that's dry rot. I think it's just all the years that we've used. It's not overinflated. Make sure that's not on the way. But yeah, see, look at that. And you know, I said before about going Kubota. Yes, that is me. I've considered it. You know, 2650 or 3350. You know, they seem to have the problems worked out with them. You know, it's just you've got a factory cab, and the financing is amazing. I mean, yeah, you can finance a 1025R with a Mauser cab, but it's just like, you know, I mean, there's other brands out there, and I think my next tractor, definitely my own tractor, will definitely be a Kubota. Sorry, John Deere fans, but oh well. As I said before, you're not the ones paying for it, so you know. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Sorry for rambling on for half an hour, but haven't done one of these kind of videos in a while, so there you go. In the next video, either will be snow plowing, snow blowing, or just putting the new wear bar on the blade.